my buddy's motorcycle shop today. I come here quite regularly, a couple times a week, and we use this. We got this badass dyno that can tune side-by-sides, four-wheelers, all that jazz. I got that set up, and you know what we do. We tune some motorcycles. We got a nice 2018 to 2020 ZX10R. This thing is sick. So we just strap her on down and do ECU flashes using our friends at ECU and tune individual cylinders, all that good jazz. So do the bass line. We're gonna knock it out now and see what she can do. Put a little blurble in there, you know what I mean? Catch it when there's rods on it. Listen how loud these dyno fans are. Alright, so we're going to connect this. Sometimes it's a bitch. Okay, check you back.
That's how I came in, okay? Last pass was 188. It's ridiculous. So I got 18 horsepower on this one. Look at that. Kept the throttle body plates open a little longer and it fucking picks up that much power. 54 to 88. You can shut that off if you want. Anyway, those dyno fans are really loud. I don't know if you can hear me. No, it's not. I'm just going on the channel. You know what I'm saying? Check it out right there.
Alright, wait.
Just look, because I opened the throttle plates longer in the end. And bro, it goes like 50, 60, 70.
It climbs quick.
Yeah, it made over 18 horsepower gain. That's fucking retarded. You, friend, are gonna have a hell of a ride on your hands, okay?
We're gonna do the,
Mike, thanks for letting me use your dyno like always.
my brother. It's all love. Thank you.
You like that boom boom at the end? I told you. Yeah, I called him, man.
Alright, so we're leaving the bike dyno today. We got, this thing is the bomb. I love this thing. This is the M package S1000RR with carbon fiber wheels. He lets me rip this sometimes. This is a S1000, like a 15 or 17. And that one's got 140 shot on it. It made 349 on race gas. So that being said, my buddy's shop right here. We've been working together for 4 or 5 years now. It's called Tampa Elite Motorcycle. Tampa Elite Automotive in Tampa, Florida. Shout out to them. I saw an unbelievable increase on just a few things with the ECU on this ZX10. It was 18 fucking horsepower overall peak. But then in the big end, the factory throttle plates closed and it was making 158 at like 11,000. So after I kept the throttle plates open electronically and all in tuning, it made 188. So that's a 30 horsepower gain. 30 horsepower with just programming. That being said, tuning is just revolutionary to everything. It's the bomb. How you guys doing? Yeah, pups. So we got the diesel all cleaned up today. Gonna probably add to this video and go pick up Pepsi, which is my AG hatch race car, and the trailer tonight. So it's got some things done, a little makeover, a little carbon here and there, and the trailer got stickers and all that. So looking forward to continuing this video. We'll check you out when there's no rods on the floor. All right, so just got back in the truck, leaving the bike dyno, and I realized my buddy Ailton hit me up. I tuned his 2JZ BMW M3 and his 350Z with an LS turbo, built motor, blah blah blah. So it makes like 830, and the BMW makes 640. Stock 2JZ, but not for long. Anyway, he just messaged me and said, "Hey, you coming?" I forgot that I agreed to go to his house and do some tuning on a Infiniti G35 with an LS all motor that he got. So I'm headed over there. Looks like I'm gonna make the pickup of the car for another video, but for now we'll continue this with some tuning stuff. I'm gonna go over there and get some footage so y'all can hear some cammed out LS action. I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm no YouTube pro, but I know it gives you something to watch. I know I would watch it, so what the hell. Check y'all when there's rods on the floor. We're back. We made it to We're back. We made it to Ailton's house. He's got a cool little portalet or outhouse that he built in their backyard. Check this out. Like a little mini shed thing. Cool. So, at his house, he's got the G with the V8. He's got a little shop here. At their house. Pretty decent little shop. Always messy. But honestly, as it sits right now, this is cleaner than I've seen in a long time. What the heck are they working on now? Oh Jesus. Maybe you got an E90 and that means you're doing something wrong. Oh, okay, intake manifold. Big single turbo. That looks like he's doing some fabrication. Probably cruise control. These things make power. I've tuned a couple of them and they make you 600-700 on ethanol. M3 front bumper. Okay. Nice intake. EMP. Didn't expect that. Ooh, see what I mean? Right in the kneecap. Right in the kneecap. Anyway, they got a G35 with an LS 5.3 out of a pickup truck. We're gonna make it run today. It's not running right, so he's obviously screwing with it. Take a look. What is this? Auto training, right? You would never expect that to have a V8 in it. What is missing a bunch of nitrous, but hey, we'll check back with you when rods are on the floor and we got some V8 noises going, okay?